Time now for the check of the day on Wall Street so far. ABC 7 business commentator Jeff Stern joins us now. And Jeff, the market's really only one up day, I think, so far this week. So is it another down week? And
unfortunately,
are we
Scott,
headed that way?
A lot needs to happen to
Yeah.
change that, but we're down this week. So right now we're looking at about 1.5% for the Dow, about 1.5% for the S&P negative. NASDAQ's a little better, but still down about 0.5% for the week. So we would need some pretty strong numbers. But again, another strong week of earnings, although a lot of the CEOs are actually saying, you know what, we're earning a lot. Things are good, but this could be a high water market. So that's one of the reasons why the markets have been negative this week. We're looking at oil about 68.5. That's been rising slightly. And the 10-year Treasury goes up and down. It hits that 3% and then comes down a little bit. Last I saw was about 2.93 for the 10-year Treasury. So we'll keep our eye on that. Again, I always wake up and the futures are typically down on a Friday, but let's see how we're currently trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, look at that, up 231 points, 24,161, up almost a full percentage, while NASDAQ is positive, 87.5 points, 7,175, up 1.25%, while the S&P 2,652, up 22.5 points, 0.85%.
Looking good so far. One of the stories we're following today is the April job numbers, which are out.
That is correct. They were expecting right around 192, but they came in at 164,000. Still strong numbers. Unemployment came in at 3.9%. That's the lowest we've seen in over 18 years. They were expecting right around 4 to stay. The average hourly earnings rose by 4 cents, so that's up to about 2.6 on an annualized return. Not quite as strong as we would have liked, but an even better measurement of unemployment, 7.8%, and that includes the discouraged workers as well as the part-time workers. That's the lowest we've seen since 2001. Overall, good numbers, which is reason for the markets to be concerned with higher inflation from the Fed. You know, Scott, we do want all employees that want to work and can work to be employed. At the same time, that kind of scares the markets because then the Feds have a little more positive impact on the economy. So
Okay.
we'll see how that happens, but so far good.
All right. Sounds good.
Have a
Thank
great
you so
weekend,
much.
Scott.
You too.